the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling.
If you like me are always looking for a high protein meal option on the go, this high protein grilled chicken wrap is definitely going to be your new favorite. For our tortilla, we'll knead together some whole wheat flour with some spices, olive oil and beetroot puree and leave that to rest. For our chicken, we'll marinate it with some salt, garlic, chili flakes, olive oil, oregano and lemon juice. Mix it well and leave that to rest for 30 minutes. Then grill it on medium to high heat until it's done. And then we'll move on to making our tortillas by rolling it out just like we do it with our regular rotis and cooking it on low to medium heat until they're done. Assemble your wrap by spreading some hummus onto your tortilla, topping it off with some sun-dried tomatoes, your chicken, a little bit of onions, tomatoes and cucumber. Roll it up and enjoy.
If you find this valuable, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much. Thank you so much for watching.